Alright, so today we'll be visiting the horticulture class here at Leeward Community College. Here's where we enter. It's where they farm everything here. We're going to meet Daniela Elliott. She teaches the horticulture class here. Be explaining some items here that we'll be using in our recipes. Introduce to you her two students that she has here. We'll visit the compost area. Let's go visit Daniela and her students now. We have our aquaponics class here as well. Right here. And also our horticulture classes farm. You have a greenhouse there for as well for our tomatoes, some kalo, some edible flowers you see down there. We're going to be harvesting some beets, some cress, some tomatoes for our dishes coming up. And we just ask that please do not harvest plant material from this garden. These plants are reserved for Leeward Community College's Science and Hawaiian classes programs. We'll be right back.